halo-halo pa raw siya. Okay, habang tinatapos ni Jay ang halo-halo, okay? On with our second part of the program. Batchmates, let us heat up the dance floor, set the party mood, and jive to the music of the 80s. Let's give it up for the ladies of Batch 84 with their moments of the past. Ladies and gentlemen, Marian, class of 1984. Lulu is with them, I forgot to acknowledge.
Hey, baby! Ilang araw na practice yun?
I've been here now for about a month. So, since I arrived, then we've organized it. So, nagpa-practice kami every Saturday.
Is that so? Okay. Okay. Narinig niyo ba ang pinag-exit? Kasi they've been practicing every Saturday. Okay, and you know what? We'd like to thank Jeannie for accommodating all our classmates, okay? Isang katok lang, nakabukas na ang gate sa Malinta. Grabe. And one more thing, alam niyo, hindi lang si GD. Yung mga nagpa-practice yan, lalo na yung members ng Execom, nakikita ko kasi, no? Parang every practice ka namin may pa-birthday sila talaga.
Yes.
Alam mo yung pa-dinner, yung pa-lunch. Ayan.
Meriendas, yeah.
Grabe, grabe.
And after mag-exercise, then kain na.
Ayun, after mag-exercise kayo na.
Meron dumating? Sino?
George Marquez.
George Marquez! Ang kapatid ni Joey Marquez.
Kompleto na!
Katatakbo ka rin ba? Okay, ngayon meron tayong award. Oo. Ito ang tinatawag nating Solicitor General Award.
Okay, ano ba yung Solicitor General Award? Okay? Ang Solicitor General Award,
Yung pinaka-matindi nag-solicit, gano'n ba yun?
precisely, Father Savior.
Parang di masyado obvious.
Oo, yung mga matinding nag-solicit. Yung iba kasi talagang, kumbaga nag-donate,
Balikan na.
And then, ano
Ikaw
man,
talaga, oh.
pigilin mo kasi.
And the next nominee, Miss Lynette Medina.
And come over, please.
Si Lynette, yung inaaway dito kanina. Saan ka na, Lynette?
And last, Miss MG Concepcion. Here we go again.
Yes, MG.